Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Irena Aminina. Now, I would like to explain about the material from first meeting to seventh meeting. So, they are the material that I will explain. First is opinion, and then discussion, telephoning, interviewing, and the last job interview. Okay, next, the first material is asking and giving opinion, agreement, and disagreement. What is asking and giving opinion? Asking and giving opinion is an expression used to ask, answer, or respond to an opinion. There are some examples of expression to asking for opinion. For example, what do you think about my fail? Do you know what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Do you agree with me? Would you go along with that? And then, expression of giving opinion. For example, in my experience, in my opinion, according to me, you are a smart girl. Personally, I believe that you are a best boy. Personally, I think that I'd say that. And then agreement and disagreement. What is agreement and disagreement? Agreement and disagreement is an expression that agree or disagree with the opinion of others. If you agree with the opinion, you can say, I agree with you. You were right. That's right. That's true. Absolutely. Definitely. No doubt about it. That's exactly what I think. And if you disagree with the opinion, you can say, I disagree. I don't agree. I can't agree. I don't think so. I'm not sure about that. I don't know about that. I'm not sure if I agree with you about that. I would not say that. The next material is about discussion. If you want to open your discussion, you can say like the following example. Today we are here to discuss about the impact of TV. Let me start and deliver the discussion topic. Or you can say, to begin with, we are given a very interesting topic for discussion. Let me take the privilege of starting the discussion. Next is examples, the opinion in discussion. As far as I'm concerned, buying the original copies of the book is better than downloading the book illegally. In my opinion, traffic jam in the big cities is worse than traffic jam in small cities. From my point of view, both men and women have the same chance to go to school. And then if you want to asking the opinion in discussion, you can say like this. What do you think? Do you see what I'm getting at? Do you know what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Do you agree with me? And if you agree with the opinion, you can say like this. I totally agree with you. Or you can say, I totally agree with that. I feel the same. You are absolutely right. Absolutely or exactly. If you disagree with the opinion, you can say, I'm afraid I disagree. I don't agree with you. Or I don't agree with that. That's not the way I see it. I don't think so. Or you can say, I don't feel the same. The third material is about telephony. How to answer the phone. In a professional business, state the company name first, followed by greeting and the name of the individual answering the call. For example, Ulis Para, good morning, this is Irena. If in an organization, person answering the phone should identify himself. The company name is not required. For example, good morning, Irena speaking, or Irena speaking. Next, the important phone ethnic rules. First, answering the phone using formal greetings. And then, speak clearly. Then, listen and learn. Listen carefully to customer. Always allow the caller time to finish his or her thoughts without interruption and ask questions that clarify information. Be sure to confirm understanding with the caller before moving forward. And the last, end calls with a final offer of assistance. Is there anything else that I can help you with? And the last material is interviewing and job interview. What is the interview like? Interviews were held with the aim of getting to know prospective students better. If you are asked to attend interview, it means that the university is interested in your personal statement, and the next step is to get to know you better. Interviews can be in the form of light conversation, the discussion about topics, or holding debate on topics that are relevant to your chosen major. For job interview, so if you get a job interview, you can start with a small talk. For example, thanks for inviting me to interview. Thanks for this opportunity. The building is impressive. What a great location. After that, you can tell about yourself. Tell about yourself, from which university you graduate, about your education, and tell about your work experience. And then, how did you learn about the position? You can say, I learned or heard it from place, media, or someone that give the information. For example, I was referred by my friend Lulu. And after that, where do you see yourself in 5 years? You can tell about what you will achieve in the next 5 years. For example, in 5 years, I see myself developing a teaching technique that can be very efficient for both teacher and student. Next, why are you interested in working for our company? You can say, I'm interested in working in this company because I'm happy if I can join a team at a well known company and have a good reputation. After that, tell about your strength and weakness. For example, sometimes it's difficult for me to memorize something. That is why I always bring a notebook with me to write down any important thing in case I need to recall it later. And last, ask the interviewer what project you would work on if you were part of a team. I think that's all I can say. If I'm sorry if I made a mistake,